This warning light on your dashboard is called an oil pressure warning. It is serious and should never be ignored. Now let's see what it means. The oil pressure light means your engine isn't getting enough oil pressure. Without proper oil pressure, engine parts can't be lubricated, leading to severe engine damage or even complete failure. And now the common causes. 1. Low engine oil level. You may be low on oil. 2. Oil pump failure. The pump isn't circulating oil properly. 3. Clogged oil filter or strainer. Oil can't flow freely through the engine. 4. Faulty oil pressure sensor. Sensor may be sending false readings. 5. Oil leaks. Can cause the oil level to drop quickly. And now let's see what you should do. 1. Pull over and turn off the engine immediately. Don't drive further. 2. Check your oil level using the dipstick, if you're comfortable. 3. Top up oil if it's low. Use the right oil type. 4. If the light stays on, call a mechanic or get towed to a service center. Remember, driving with this light on can destroy your engine.